Bro, you won't believe what happened in Gangtok. I went there thinking I would just chill, shoot some videos, eat momos, and that's it. But this city, it gave me silence in the morning and full blown celebration by sunset. I'm in a capital of Sikkim right now. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ के जो ओल्ड मोनार्की है उनके घर में. पता नहीं मुझे घर में एंट्री मिलेंगी या फिर नहीं मिलेंगी. सो लेट्स सी. तो ये ऐसा कुछ रास्ता है इधर. ओके. सो ऐसा कुछ रास्ता है इधर भी. मेन रोड है. मेन रोड सिर्फ गाड़ियों के लिए है. और ये मे बी जो पैदल लोग, लोकल लोग जो चलते हैं उनके लिए, नीचे जाने के लिए, विच इज़ अ शॉर्टकट. अगर आप रोड से जा रहे हो इट विल बी अ लॉन्ग कट, क्योंकि ऐसे घूम के जाना पड़ता है. एंड इट्स नाइस व्यू फ्रॉम हियर. मोनार्की का घर ये इससे भी पीछे है. ये जो है ना, ये मोनेस्ट्री के पीछे वाला पहाड़ वहाँ पे. सो लेट्स गो. So on the first day, I wasn't even planning anything major. Just walking around with my tripod, no agenda. Then someone casually told me about this place, Suklakang Palace. Not crowded, not hype, no entry ticket, just peace. I love this kind of places. So, what's your name? Huh? Let's go. Tucked in the heart of the city, but glowing in its own silence. भाई जैसे ही अंदर गया ना, सब कुछ स्लो हो गया. This place was for the king of Sikkim. Coronations, victory ceremonies, all happened here. But now, it's quiet. No crowd, no music, just energy. And it's strong. I sat in a corner and just stopped. The monks were walking softly, in complete silence, but their presence, it was heavy, it was strong. Like they were not walking, they were floating. No phone, no social media, just me in this ancient place, thinking nothing and everything. अभी गैंगटॉक में हूँ मैं. बहुत बारिश हो गई थोड़ी यहाँ पे, और थोड़ी ठंड बढ़ जाती है जब भी बारिश होती है. जहाँ पे आप कैंपिंग करना, इट्स आई डोंट थिंक इट्स लीगल. मे बी इट्स लीगल, आई एम नॉट श्योर येट. बट अगर आपके पास में पैसा नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव हियर. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू सर्वाइव. बट द गुड थिंग इज एवरीवन स्पीक्स हिंदी हियर. राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऑन द वे टू MG रोड, which is a main market here. I think it's one of the main market here. So I'm going there. So let's see how it looks like. जगह है जहाँ से लोग पैदल चल सकते हैं, और नीचे ही रोड है, और ऊपर से आप पैदल जा सकते हो. इट्स प्रीटी क्लीन. थोड़ा थोड़ा कचरा दिख रहा है, बट ओवरऑल इट्स नॉट दैट, इतना ख़राब नहीं है, इतना प्लास्टिक नहीं है. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि प्लास्टिक बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा प्लास्टिक है यहाँ पे भी, बट कंपेयर टू अदर स्टेट्स इट्स लिटिल बिट लेस. मे बी पॉपुलेशन भी बहुत कम है यहाँ की, उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे जो कचरा है वो भी थोड़ा कम है. इट्स अ पॉसिबिलिटी, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. या लुक एट दैट प्लास्टिक. Still they do have a plastic here, man. While walking towards MG Road, I noticed it was around 5 p.m. So I thought, okay, maybe find a tea stall and take a break. But Gangtok had other plans. As I walked towards MG Road, bro, I walked straight into a full-blown state celebration. Turn out it was Sikkim's 50th statehood anniversary. Amazing. It was big stage, folk performance already happening, kids laughing, locals clapping like they own the street. And I'm like, wait, weren't we just meditating in a monastery? It wasn't even night yet, but the energy like it was 10 p.m. I'm not sure what it is, but let's see. Excuse me. What's this called? Tikki. So what is it for?
It's for making curd.
To make a curd?
It's for making curd from curd, no? Beef extract, ghee, no?
Yeah. Amazing. So is this a traditional thing here?
It's fully traditional.
Amazing. Is it a Nepali tradition or a Sikkim tradition?
Nepali.
Is this the same thing, Nepali tradition and Sikkim? Because food is also same.
Yeah.
Amazing. And what is this for?
That's for extracting oil.
Oh my God.
No, that one is for weighing.
Okay. Some kind of things. And what is this for? Looks really old. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like वेट करने के लिए हिलाने के लिए ऐसे ऐसे
Scapula,
ऐसे
it's ancient scapula, no?
अमेजिंग
Yeah. This one, we have to do it like this.
हाँ
In here, no? There will be some item like 1 kg, anything, potato,
Okay.
tomato, anything.
Uh-huh.
Then we have to, if you put here, if this goes straight, no?
Oh.
It's 1 kg. And if we have to make half kg, no? We have to sieve this one into here.
Amazing. So this is for 1 kg. This is for half kg, and
One
this,
power.
oh my God, amazing! What a technology here! Ancient technology, amazing.
Yeah, from
I'm from Maharashtra. So where are you from?
Sikkim itself,
So where in Sikkim?
Pakyong.
Pakyong.
Yeah.
Is it near Yuksum?
Yeoksum, no? It's a Yeoksum.
It's the
north,
west,
Yeah.
not north.
Sorry,
It's in west. Yeah.
So, it's basically 12 kilometers from here, our
Okay.
village.
And what is this?
That one is, we call it, Narsinga, it's called Narsinga, no?
Narsinga.
Yeah, it's an instrument.
So you blow it from
Musical,
here,
yeah.
and the sounds came out from here.
Actually, it's too old. That it has been broken now, no? So
Uh-huh.
the one which we have to blow from the mouth, that one is broken actually.
Okay.
Other parts are also like it's not assembled.
Some people in Africa also have similar one, and the amplifier like this.
Yeah, it's quite maybe similar.
Yeah, amazing. This is so nice. Nice to experience the culture of Sikkim. And what is this?
That's that is used by it's called यो भन्छ के अरे त्यसलाई के पो भन्थ्यो है when someone gets ill no we have one tradition that before going to hospital we can either go to him like Jhakri. You heard about Jhakri, you know?
Never heard of it.
It's like,
Tell me more. So is this for prayer?
Yeah,
Uh,
they used to pray to God and
Is it like a Reiki healing? Have you heard of Reiki healing? Where they touch some places and you feel better?
yeah.
Is this a similar thing?
Exactly, I didn't get your point, but maybe it's like we have faith in that and they do their prayers to the particular thing. No?
Oh.
Then we used to get healed like that time. It's maybe 1973.
You don't sell anything here, right? तो ये मुझे बहुत दिनों से दिखाना था. Can you hold this? Thank you. So this is a traditional Gurkha weapon, right? Oh my God, this is heavy. Amazing. Do you sell this? So how much for this?
2500.
2500. And for this also. Okay. So 2500 for this beautiful weapon, and anyone can buy this or only Gurkha people can buy it? Anyone? For everyone? Amazing. That's really nice. And this is kind of pickles.
This is pickle.
Pickles.
This is beef pickle, chicken pickle, and
This is beef. This is beef pickle. This is a amazing.
Nepali kind of alcohol.
For alcohol? This is for alcohol.
Alcohol. Chang.
And do you have inside this alcohol right now? Not right now. Okay.
Straw.
Amazing. Is this a straw? So you drink it with straw? No?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Oh, so you drink it with the bamboo stick, bamboo straw. Amazing. How much for one? 2,000. You can also buy this. Oh. And what is this?
Uda.
Uda.
It's made from goat.
Made from goat? Amazing, really soft. Wow. So this is the place. Okay, thank you. You forgot your mobile here, I think. I'm not sure if it's yours or not. Here in Sikkim, people are so, especially girls are so cute. I'm not supposed to say that, but yeah. I love Gangtok वाला sign, जहाँ पे लोग selfie लेते हैं.
Next morning.
तो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ सिलीगुड़ी के लिए. गैंगटॉक में हूँ मैं अभी, गैंगटॉक सिक्किम, और जा रहा हूँ सिलीगुड़ी. एंड दिस इज़ माई लास्ट डे. दिस इज़ माई लास्ट डे इन सिक्किम, आई गेस. या एंड वेदर इज़ रियली नाइस, और रास्ते भी ऐसे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. तो यहाँ पे बसेस नहीं चलते हैं, यहाँ पे ओला उबर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं चलता है. बाय द वे, यहाँ पे इनका अलग टैक्सी चलते हैं, प्राइवेट टैक्सीज. लेट्स सी. दिस इज़ नॉट अ प्राइवेट टैक्सी, सो इट्स ओके. शेयरिंग कैब पकड़ के मैं निकल गया गैंगटॉक से. गैंगटॉक में मैं 6 दिन रहा, और टोटल मैं सिक्किम में 15 दिन रहा. इट वॉज अ रियली गुड एक्सपीरियंस. तो अभी मैं बस पकड़ के जा रहा हूँ सिलीगुड़ी की तरफ. तो सिलीगुड़ी में रहने वाला हूँ कुछ दिन. सिलीगुड़ी में भी बहुत एडवेंचर किए, आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है आगे के व्लॉग्स में. सो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और लाइक कीजिए वीडियो को, और मिलता हूँ आपको अगले वीडियो में.